Alright guys, welcome to day 14. We have another mini kit. So this one's actually more floral based, and as usual it is 2 pages in floral on our premium matte paper. So for those of you who want the unicorn paper, this is it. But it is a 2-page mini kit, perfect for either Valentine's Day or springtime, summer, whatever, which you guys can use any time of the year, which was actually my goal for these, everyone to be able to use this and reach for your mini kits whenever you could. I believe I'm going to release this closer to January for Valentine's Day. But I will have this kit most likely in the shop soon for those who want this one specifically. So this is day 14 of your advent calendar. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 15.